Okay, there's my box that he's made so far. I think that's gonna be for my bigger chickens. Okay, this is the coop that my husband has been building and working on for me. Today I'm gonna paint it. I'll do a video after I've painted it, but you can see there's gonna be my nesting boxes. And he put a roosting tree in here. We're gonna put metal on the top. And then there's my little gate right here. Okay, there's my little gate right there. And we're gonna have a run under it. I can do a better picture over here. There's my chicken ladder, because I'm doing silkies and they need ladders. And then I can show you a little better what the coop looks like inside, because I'm short and the coop is not. So he made me 4 nesting boxes. I got a really cool little barn, and I'm gonna paint it probably blue and white. So this is just before it gets painted. He just finished it. Sorry, I got a lot of crap. He just finished it. I mean, we still have to paint it. We have to put the metal on. There's my door on the top. So, and I will do another video as we get this done. All right, have a good day. Okay, this is after I tried to paint the coop. This is just the outside of it. I plan to paint more. Plan to do the white. As you can tell, kind of suck at painting, but that's okay. At least I'm trying. I'm gonna do white on the inside and on the bottom of the coop. So, anyways, that's stage 2. Ooh, I gotta come back and redo some of this paint. I think I might have to do 2 coats. Okay, here is the coop. I've started doing the white. I'm trying to get it finished. I think tomorrow it's gonna rain. And I wanna get my big snowball, well, big for a silky snowball in it. But I'm not the best painter in the world, but I'm trying. And then I went ahead and painted inside, mainly just in case I had to spray it out for any reason. So that's with most of the blue and the white. My husband won the discussion on the white by the bottom. I think it should be blue, or if it's white, I think the bottom should be blue, but he wants it blue and then white trim, white, and then white. Alright guys, I told you that I would show you this coop as soon as it got done. I still need to paint the very bottom. And there's my beautiful snowball. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. This is his happy little home. Although we're still trying to get him to, I understand he needs to climb up. But that's how the coop turned out. And there's a handle on this side. My husband thinks that a woman can move it. I'm disagreeing. There's a better picture of Snowball. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. All right. I'll keep you guys in touch. We're gonna be building more of these. I think he's gonna start a second one probably this evening, maybe in the morning. So.